find out what the flight's about.
My favorite part was when people were trying to throw the football in the helmet, and I rate it an 8.5 out of 10. Comment what we should do next. If you like this video, like, comment, and subscribe. More coming soon. Bye!